They both have a lot of activities. I like the stamping here of the Doh Restaurant set a little bit better than the activity here of the pizza oven, which just spins around. And they both have a lot of ingredients here. Of course, the pizza oven is all centered around pizza, and there are a few pizza parts in the restaurant set as well. And there are a few more different ingredients in the restaurant set, so it is a little bit more versatile. This is only centered around making pizza. There are a few more interactive things here with the pizza set though, with a garlic press and the spatula, which is a little bit larger than in the restaurant set. And you also have this little cheese grater here, which you can turn, which is also pretty nice. And they also both have 5 tubs of Play-Doh, so that's the exact same amount. You have a little menu here for the restaurant set, so you can do some pretend play and you can have customers choose what they want. But I like the activity cards of the pizza oven just a little bit better, because they have a step-by-step plan how to create these things. And I think that's more of even like an activity card for your kid. So that's just a little bit cooler than just the menu there of the restaurant. So to choose between these two, I think I choose the pizza oven because it's a little bit more fun and a little bit more challenging in my opinion. But of course you need to love pizza in order for this to be fun. And the restaurant here is just a little bit more versatile.